Think you need to spend over $100,000 to get a luxurious, tech-loaded, 3-row electric SUV? Think again. This is the 2026 Kia EV9 GT-Line, and it is single-handedly forcing American buyers to cancel their luxury SUV orders. What makes the EV9 so special is its bold, futuristic design that looks straight out of a sci-fi movie. Inside, it offers a massive, ultra-premium cabin with lounge-style relaxation seats, dual panoramic screens, and enough room for the entire family. Kia didn't just build an electric car. They built a rolling luxury living room that undercuts the European competition by tens of thousands of dollars. But it's not just about looks. The top-tier GT line packs a dual-motor all-wheel drive system generating nearly 380 horsepower, rocketing this massive SUV from 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds. Plus, thanks to its advanced 800-volt architecture, you can add up to 150 miles of range in just 15 minutes of DC fast charging. With a driving range of up to 300 miles and a price tag that makes absolute sense, the EV9 is the ultimate family disruptor. So, would you drive this over a Tesla Model X? Drop your thoughts below, and smash that subscribe button for more ultimate auto reviews.